ice machine is finally working. I was not really expecting Trig to still be asleep for some reason, because at this point I think it's like 8:45 right now, almost 9. But I'm not mad. I just had to go all the way outside because I left my Octobuddy in the car. It's so cold. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a great day, great morning, great night. I bet that like all of you are in different time zones. So sometimes when you're watching my videos, you're literally going to bed. So I need to start greeting all hours of the day. We're gonna do some skincare. I forgot that this baby was in the dishwasher. Cheers to Tuesday. Know that feeling when you're like kind of ready for the day, but your child's not awake yet, and you're like, I miss them. Like, I want them to be awake. That's how I feel right now. I'm like, I want Trig to wake up. Yeah, get you cereal. No milk? No milk? Okay, I won't do milk. Okay, baby. It's definitely a sweater day. So cozy. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's handsome? You are. You are. Oh. I always want to just get back into bed. It's so comfy. Hi, Wes. What do I want to wear today? Usually we'll walk Wes like later in the day, but we want to take him out this morning, so we're gonna go to the park as a family instead of the gym. And I'm very much feeling that because I went to the gym last night and it feels too soon to go again. You want your shoes on? Can you bring me your socks and shoes? It's only classic toddler fashion that Trig all morning has been wanting his shoes on and off, but then the second you put them on, he wants them off. And the second you take them off, he wants them back on. All he's saying this morning is shoes on, shoes off. I have 3 work calls this morning that I'm actually really excited about. One is just my first call of the year with my managers. We always take like the last 2 weeks of the year off from calls. So the last 2 weeks of the year, I didn't have any like weekly chats with them or anything other than like over text. And then I have my last call before my first collab of the year launches. And I'm also excited for that because I'm like making sure that all the PR boxes look good and that everything is just squared away, ready to go. And then lastly, I have an exciting call with a company that I'm obsessed with. Like, I actually think a lot of you could guess it, but that is for like a potential project this year, which is always just really exciting because that's kind of like a brainstorming call, seeing if it's a good fit, things like that, and I'm so stoked. So I think it's also good that I'm not going to the gym because usually if I do go to the gym, by the time I get on a work call, I still look like shite. Hi, I see you. Thanks, babe. That was nice. Look at this breakfast sandwich.
Rick, can you help mommy clean up? Whoa. Okay. Here's your book. Here's your book.
Hi, Wes.
You guys, this is the weirdest feeling ever. There's nobody at the park, like literally not a soul in sight. It's kind of weird because usually the park is so busy.
I love Trig's little run so much.